Good morning everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm back in Los Angeles right now and the weather is way better in Canada actually. It's like so gloomy and foggy out. Look at this. Don't mind my dirty window, but look at this. Can't see anything. All fog. So after about 2 weeks, I came back to Los Angeles, reunited with Kristen, which was so happy, and my kitties.
Right, Henry? Mommy's home. Mommy's home, man.
He's so big now. He's like so puffy and huge. He's seriously like almost the size of Stu. I came in and I'm like, oh my God, but they're so cute. They like came to greet me at the door when I came in. Anyways, I had to get back to Los Angeles, finally get back to work, and I'm off to a meeting right now. I just want to show you guys my outfit because some of you may have been watching when I got the things that I'm wearing right now, so I just want to show you how I styled it. Don't mind those clothes over there. We have so much laundry to do now that I'm back. But anyways, I'm wearing the trouser pants that I found at the thrift store. I just cuffed the bottoms of them, and they're so wide and like comfortable and like chic looking. And then I put it with this like t-shirt crop top that like has this elastic at the bottom so it kind of bunches. And then a jean jacket just to make it look a little more casual. Threw on my little pointy toe boots and just my little Zara bag that never closes, so annoying. But anyways, I thought it looked really cute. I just wanted to show you guys how I styled the pants, and I think you would never know that these are probably from the 80s. So it's kind of cool, worked out. Alright guys, it's a new day. I started the vlog the other day and didn't vlog for the rest of the day. But I took a meeting here, I'm back in LA and back in the house and ready to do some things. So, as I said before in a few of my other videos, I'm trying to decorate, trying to like get this house in order, you know what I mean? Like I really want to just love it. So I started with the dining room, started with this room. I kind of wanted to like vlog. Oh my gosh, my cat is crazy. Henry, jeez. So I kind of wanted to just vlog today, like my, whoa, Henry's trying to attack me.
Stop it. Stop.
He's literally out to get me. Oh my gosh, he's like keeps chasing my feet. Stop it. Anyways, I really wanted to vlog today to like do kind of like a DIY vlog, like gather all my materials, share my idea with you guys, and then in the next video, I'll be doing the DIY and like teaching you guys how. So, I don't know if you guys know, you guys probably seen them everywhere, like all over Pinterest, all over Instagram. The macrame wall hangers. I bought one the other time for the dining room and I'll show you guys it. It's kind of like a different version of it, but it's this type of thing with like a dowel and it's hanging from the wall, and it can kind of be like as full or like loose yarn kind of thing like this, whatever you want, but it can be different colors, it can be different lengths, different sizes. You can hang them from circles or you can hang them from like a dowel triangle thing like that. But anyways, they're expensive. So I kind of want more of them. I told you guys my idea before, like maybe I could do a whole wall of them. I want to make my own. I want to go buy the materials today, show you guys like everything you need, and then in the next video we can make them together so you guys can like see kind of the whole process instead of making the next video super long. So this is kind of going to be like a part 2 if you guys actually want to see it done and made and where it's going to go and all that. Plus I was thinking like I always do DIYs. I just need to film them and I just want to show you guys more of like what I'm doing kind of behind the scenes. So that's the point of this vlog. I have all this wall space, like struggling with all these blank walls, so I thought the macrame wall hangers in different colors, kind of like grays and creams, is what I'm gonna do. So for my option number 1, there is this huge wall right here in the living room with giant love sacks that we don't know what to do with, but they're comfy. Anyways, I found this nail that's already in the wall somewhere over there. I don't know if you can see it. I think right there. That's kind of centered on the wall, and I could make like kind of a big one. Ooh, you know what I just realized? There's 2 of them. There's that one there, and then there's another one here. I could actually do 2, which could kind of be really cool with like the interior that's going on over here. I feel like the vibe would match. So that's my first option, to do 2 big long ones there that would hang. Hopefully my cats don't like chew them apart and try and climb them. Or this area right here is already kind of framed out with this. I kind of want to decorate the shelves more, do DIYs there too, and just on top I want to hang one right there. So that's a good option too. I feel like that would be a really good spot since there's already like kind of framed furniture around it, and like decorate that area. It could look really cute. Plus that would help finish off like the TV room over here. It's kind of messy right now, but anyways, it would go with the carpet. If I do kind of like cream and gray and kind of go with that kind of look and like maybe add some gold, who knows? We'll see what kind of yarn there is there. Obviously this is gonna be way cheaper than like going out to buy a full one, because honestly they can get up to like $200 and I'm like, what? I'm just gonna make that myself for like $20 or under that. So let's do that today. Let's go to either Walmart, Joann's, or Michael's, I think. Like, we're gonna try and scope out Walmart first because it's cheapest, see what they have there, and then scope out the other stores if I need them. But I'm really excited because I really think it's gonna look good. Like, my house is messy right now, but I'm gonna show you kind of like what I'm thinking. So we got that wall over there that's so blank. Like, look how boring, and hate that corner. So let's fix that, make one there, and then look how blank that is over there. I hate that corner too. So let's fix that. So now that you know the idea for these walls, let's get to the store, get our supplies, and get going.
Are you guys done being crazy? Because I'm leaving. Okay, Henry, you're crazy, but you're super nice and I love you.
Okay, so I'm just walking out to the car, and I found this in the garage. Since I haven't been here for a while, there's like all this new garbage here from like the boys getting a bunch of stuff, I guess. All this new stuff. But look, I have no idea where these hula hoops came from. I'm not sure why they have them. But this would be so perfect. Like, this is the perfect size to like wrap with yarn or like rope, and like wrap it so that it's not blue and silver and like tacky looking, and just tie that whole thing up with rope. And that's the perfect size to like start hanging the things. That would be really cool. Oh my gosh, so might keep that in mind. Just using the trash as a craft, so that would be super fun. Let's go look for the rest of my materials, but oh my gosh, it's kind of perfect because I was thinking I could do like a round one or a rectangle one. I kind of want to show you guys one that I have in mind that I've been looking at that I'm like, this is super easy, like I could do this, and it's on Etsy. So this one is just like cream and gray and would kind of go with the whole aesthetic, but it's like using the dowel. So that one's super easy, just like draped yarn, and you can braid some of the pieces and like knot them. So I feel like that one's a really easy, doable one. So I'm kind of going off of this, gonna try and like get those colors. But imagine that, but on the hula hoop as a circle. Like, it could look cool. We'll try it, we can see what we can do. So yeah, let's get going again. Let's head to Walmart first. Wow, I found exactly what I needed. I found these two wooden dowels. They're exactly the length I need. They're really, really long. They're the perfect material, so you can either stain these, paint them, or just leave them raw, but they're perfect. I'm gonna go look for some yarn. I don't really see a price on these, but I'm assuming they're cheap. But there's different sizes. It depends what you want, but I think the thick one is what I'm looking for because I want to make it pretty big. Yeah, no price on these, but it's a good start. So we need this. All right, let's see what Walmart has to offer for yarn. So I want to get some gray, some cream, and maybe some mixed color ones because I see some of that in here. Like this. That would be really pretty with some just like plain beige, and then like with that and then a gray one. Maybe those two and that. Look at those together. That's like exactly what I'm looking for. I think I like these ones. That was easy. They're about $5 each. So right now we're at 5, 10, 15 plus two of those, which I don't know how much they are, but I don't think they're much. So we're already like, that's almost our whole thing for like $15 and two of them. So I think this is already a great price. Now I need some like jute string, kind of like this stuff. Yeah, like this, to tie around the dowel and to hang from the wall because it's strong. That's really cheap as well, 99 cents. I'm also grabbing some planners because I ran out of room in my other ones. So this one actually has like more of like agenda style. Finding great things at Walmart today. I don't even have to go to the craft store. Yay! When I was checking out, I found out that the wooden dowels or rods were $1.88, so super, super cheap. If you don't want to buy a rod, you can also use like a branch or like something like that. So I got two of them just in case I make two. And then each of the yarn bundles were like $2 to $5, so that was super affordable. I also want to stop at Bath & Body Works because I really need candles. Like, the house kind of smells weird. I'm like, I need to make this house smell better. We need to go pick out some candles. So we're gonna have new candles. The house is gonna smell good. We're gonna have new wall decor. I'm so excited. So let's get going. I just got out of Bath & Body Works and there's no sale on. I missed the sale yesterday that was like 3 big candles for I don't even know how much it was, but now they're $25 each. They smell really good, but I'm like, $25 for a candle that's gonna burn and then it's gonna be gone? No. So I'm gonna go to TJ Maxx instead because I'm cheap and I'm not gonna pay $25 for a candle. Alright guys, I'm back back from the stores. We were just vlogging on Chris and Chris, so if you guys want to check out that vlog, that's going up today as well. So check that out. I'm gonna link it down below. A lot of things happened. We started Chris and Chris back up. That's another big announcement. So get ready for more Chris and Chris vlogs because I know you guys love those. So anyways, that's up today too. Watch that after this one. But I want to show you guys what I got from the store. I am so excited. I found exactly what I wanted. You guys know I found the 2 rods, the dowels, whatever you call these things, wooden dowels. They're perfect. They're the perfect size. These were $1.88. So this is exactly what I needed. Then I got all this yarn. So I got 4 different colors. I got this like multicolored one. It's kind of like gray and beige, kind of a mix of everything. Because I kind of wanted to do like an ombre effect of cream and gray and kind of mix that in. It kind of goes with every room in my house. And then I mixed in some gray. So this is like a darker gray and this one's kind of like a mixed lighter one, just to have some kind of contrast in there. I kind of want it to be multicolor. So hopefully this is all enough yarn for this. Then I got glue sticks and a glue gun because I'm gonna be doing a lot more DIYs and I really need this as like a crafty person that's gonna do stuff by myself. I need a glue gun because you can get anything done with these. So I got that. I got some jute cord because that's what's gonna hang from the wall. And yeah, I can use this for so many more DIYs as well. This was really cheap as well. It's gonna look very like earthy and boho and really, really cute. So I can't wait for you guys to see it in the next video. Ooh, DIY time. And then as you saw before, I got notebooks because I gotta get organized. Then I went to TJ Maxx and found these candles. So you know how I said I went to Bath & Body Works and they were $25? I found small ones like this for $2.99. Like $3 vanilla bean candle. It smells so strong. So I got 2 vanilla beans. I got Invigorating Citrus, whatever this one is. I have never heard of this brand, but it smells really fresh and good and spring-like, so I'm excited to light this one. This one was $7.99, so look how huge this is. They were asking $25 at Bath & Body Works, and I got this for $7.99. So, you know, you just gotta look in other places. I feel like this whole video and this whole channel is like how to save money because I'm a cheap person and I'm gonna teach you how to be a cheap person too. And then I got this last one called Calming Skies, and this smells so clean, like almost like laundry, but like not as like laundry smelling. I don't know how to describe it, but it smells really calm and nice. I am so excited to start lighting my candles and start DIYing this week. So I just wanted to make this vlog for you guys so you could see the whole process of it all, because I didn't want to do like a DIY video plus like gathering all materials and showing you where to get everything. I just wanted to do like the craft and showing you the end result and how to make it. So this video was just so you can see the entire process if you're interested, and if you guys want to see how you make it and its finished product, wait until this weekend's video and you guys can check it out there. I'm super excited. Hopefully it works out really, really well. I really think it will. Comment down below if you're interested in seeing how to DIY these macrame wall hangers, because they are so in right now. They're seriously everywhere. Like even my blog post photo is like me with macrames behind me, and it's so pretty. They're in every interior right now. It's just like, yeah, it's the best thing right now to hang on your wall. So we're gonna DIY it ourselves, save a lot of money, and make it look custom and nice, and no one else will have one just like you. So that's the best part.
Hi, Dee. What are you doing? You checking out my new things? Okay, you wanna go? Okay, go see.
But anyways, if you guys like this type of vlog of me vlogging my experience to get ready for my DIY, give this video a big thumbs up. Smash the like button if you guys are excited for Chris and Chris to be back. Watch that video. I'm gonna link it down below. It's gonna be up today as well. Ooh, also comment down below if you guys are subscribed to Chris and Chris, because I know you guys love seeing Kristen on my channel, but Chris and Chris is really where our videos are gonna be of our like together videos. So make sure you're subscribed to that, and of course subscribe to my channel. So yeah, I can catch you guys every single week. Anyways, love you guys so much, and I'll see you next time for my DIY video. Bye.